Hey there, welcome back to Chapter 2 of our Cash Cow channel journey. In this chapter, we'll guide you through the exciting process of setting up your YouTube channel like a pro. Get ready to make a lasting impression and start your YouTube adventure on the right foot. Section 1. Choosing an attention-grabbing channel name. Your channel name is the first thing viewers see and remember. Let's pick a catchy and memorable name that reflects your niche and brand. When it comes to choosing an attention-grabbing channel name, creativity and relevance are the key ingredients. You want a name that stands out, resonates with your target audience, and leaves a lasting impression. So, let's dive into some tips on how to find the perfect name for your YouTube channel. Before going on, welcome to our channel. Make King money. Help us in this new big project. Unlock your financial potential. Our mission is to show the best methods to create your own online business. It is an immense world, full of pitfalls and also of notable opportunities. You too deserve to find, manage, and grow your business. What will finally make you feel serene and free. Subscribe to Make King Money now. Activate the bell icon to stay updated on upcoming videos. Let's going on. Tip 1. Reflect your niche and brand. Your channel name should give viewers a clear idea of what your content is all about. Think about your niche and the main topics you'll be covering. Incorporate relevant keywords or terms that immediately convey what your channel is focused on. Tip 2. Keep it short and memorable. Long and complicated names can be challenging for viewers to remember. Aim for a short and punchy name that's easy to spell and recall. Short names are more likely to stick in the minds of your audience, making it easier for them to find and share your channel. Tip 3. Stand out from the crowd. With millions of channels on YouTube, standing out is crucial. Avoid generic names and opt for something unique and distinctive. Be creative and dare to be different. A name that catches the eye will attract more viewers. Tip 4. Check domain availability. If you're planning to expand your brand beyond YouTube, consider checking if the domain name associated with your channel name is available. Having a consistent online presence with a matching domain can strengthen your brand identity. Now, let's talk about some fantastic tools that can help you brainstorm and find the best name for your channel. Tool 1. Name generators. Name generators are excellent resources to kickstart your brainstorming process. Websites like Namemesh, Panabi, and Namemake can provide you with creative suggestions based on your niche or keywords. Tool 2. Thesaurus. Don't hesitate to explore thesaurus websites to find synonyms or related words that align with your content theme. This can inspire unique and engaging name ideas. Tool 3. Social media search. Before settling on a name, check if the same or similar names are already taken on popular social media platforms. You want to avoid confusion and ensure a consistent brand presence across different platforms. So, take your time, get creative, and find a channel name that reflects your passion and resonates with your audience. Remember, your channel name is your first impression on viewers, so make it count. Attention! You now have one big opportunity. To all aspiring content creators, are you ready to unlock the secrets of success on YouTube? We present YouTube Secrets, the ultimate guide to building a cash cow channel. Don't miss this game-changing opportunity. 26 chapters with strategies, software needed to develop your business, and much more. Don't waste any more time and seize this opportunity. Get your copy now and start your journey to financial freedom. Find the link in the description below. Let's go on. Now that you have a fantastic channel name in mind, let's move on to the next step, designing captivating channel art and graphics. Section 2, Captivating Channel Art and Graphics. Now that you've chosen an attention-grabbing channel name, it's time to make your YouTube channel visually captivating with stunning channel art and graphics. Your channel art is like the storefront of your brand, so let's make it stand out and leave a lasting impression on your viewers. Tip 1. Channel banner and profile picture. Your channel banner is the first thing viewers see when they visit your channel. It's crucial to have an eye-catching banner that represents your brand and instantly communicates what your channel is about. Consider using vibrant colors, high-quality images, and clear text that complements your channel's theme. Additionally, don't forget to upload a professional and recognizable profile picture, such as your logo or a high-quality image of yourself. Your profile picture will appear across YouTube, so choose something that's easily recognizable and aligns with your channel's identity. Tip 2. Channel trailer. A channel trailer is a fantastic opportunity to introduce yourself and showcase the best of your content to new viewers. Keep it short, engaging, and exciting. You want to hook your audience and entice them to subscribe. Tip 3. Thumbnail consistency. Consistency is essential for branding on YouTube. Create a signature style for your thumbnails that viewers can easily recognize as your content. Use similar fonts, colors, and layouts to maintain a cohesive look and feel across your videos. Now, let's talk about some awesome tools that can help you design captivating channel art and graphics. Tool 1. Canva. Canva is a user-friendly and powerful graphic design platform that offers a wide range of templates for channel banners, thumbnails, and other graphics. It's a fantastic tool, especially for creators without design experience. Tool 2. Adobe Photoshop. If you're looking for more advanced editing capabilities, Adobe Photoshop is the industry-standard software for graphic design. It gives you full control over your designs and allows you to create custom, professional-looking channel art. Tool 3. Snappa. Snappa is another great alternative for creating visually appealing channel art and thumbnails. With its pre-built templates and drag-and-drop functionality, you can whip up stunning designs in no time. Take your time to experiment with different designs and find a style that resonates with your content and audience. Remember, captivating channel art and graphics will help you make a strong first impression and encourage viewers to explore your content further. We strongly advise you to take advantage of this opportunity. In YouTube Secrets, the ultimate guide to building a cash cow channel, you will find everything you need to have a solid foundation and start your own successful business. It's a long journey ahead of you. I hope for you that it will be full of satisfaction. To do this, you have to start in the best possible way. Click on the link in the description and grab your personal copy.